Hello there, BoBo the Bitcoiner is back. On April 18, 2 days ago, Bitcoin price dropped from 59,000 to 51,000 in a matter of 1.5 hours. This obviously is very significant and a concern for all Bitcoin investors, and we should try to understand why. All kinds of motives were cited, but which is more creditable? More importantly, does it affects the fundamental of Bitcoin ecosystem? There are 4 commendable worth studying. All right, let's try to explore them. 1. The only one that has something to do with Bitcoin ecosystem is the blackout in China affecting the Bitcoin mining. Xinjiang and the other part of China has knocked out Bitcoin miners in the region, crippling as much as 35 exahashes from the Bitcoin system of global hash rate. Theoretically, this cannot affect Bitcoin price because Bitcoin ecosystem is designed to mine one block every 10 minutes, irrespectively. Even though a portion of the global miners went down. With less miners, the mining difficulty of the protocol will automatically adjust down, making it easier for the fewer miners to achieve the one block every 10 minutes. There is this possibility that people with the advanced knowledge of the blackout could have taken this opportunity to short the price, expecting a temporary mining commotion. This is highly possible, but as mining difficulty is automatically adjusted every 14 days, depending on when was the last adjustment, this can only be temporary once the next adjustment kicks in. Yes, this is a concern, but only temporarily. That's the beauty of Bitcoin ecosystem. It adjusts back in the protocol automatically. Second point or second possibility, US Treasury announced it will charge several financial institutions for money laundering using cryptocurrencies. Same old story. Since the day of Silk Road dark website, Bitcoin is all labeled as money laundering. It intensified after the 2017 all-time high. Thereafter, every all-time high is followed by money laundering accusation, as well as Bitcoin bubble. Crypto market is immune to such empty allegations already. There's no reason this time it creates an impact. Number 3 possibility, or at least people say in the market, Turkey banned Bitcoin. Come on, this is even more ridiculous. Turkey is a small market. In 2017, the biggest investor of Bitcoin was China. And when China banned Bitcoin in September 2017, the impact was not great at all, and even recovered quickly thereafter. Fourth possibility, leveraging long trader being liquidated. This probably has the bigger impact among the 4 we spoken. Prior to April 18, Bitcoin market was very optimistic. Many are predicting the bull will run to $80,000, $90,000, $100,000 within weeks. The bull is really charging. There was so much leverage trading going on. With $1,000, you can leverage 10 times into 10,000, 50 times, or even 100 times inside exchange. 100,000, you can play with $100,000. Not only the professional traders who caught in the sudden turn, but many retail investors are also hit hard. It was reported that as much as $7 to $10 billion were lost in this incident. It was also speculated that the bigger whale trader find this an opportunity to dump the market, making huge profit in return. It's impossible to find the real cause, but upon examination of the above four, there is a chance that a mining blackout in China contributed to the sudden drop in price, but only can be temporary. There is a high chance over-leveraged long get liquidated, disrupted the market suddenly. And as usual, every whale manipulation is short-lived. We are already seeing half of the losses recover within 1-2 days. Now, Bitcoin is back to 66,000. After driving the price down, the whale is now back accumulating. Very typical. Chances of full recovery is good. Maybe breaking another all-time high in the weeks ahead. If you understand Bitcoin and you play the game correctly, these events actually make you happy. This is called the crash sales, a halfway intermission. Personally, I think this is another opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin if you have not yet, before it price itself out of your reach. Remember, Bitcoin ecosystem fundamental is intact, and that is the most important thing we need to know. Hope the above analysis give you a better picture of what's happening and has a better confidence going forward. Thank you for the listening. Don't forget to like. See you next time. Bye bye.